Here we have an Alpine SPC-106T61-2 T6.1 Now, I'm never going to remember that, that's why I'm reading it off that. And what this is a direct speaker replacement for a transporter T6.1, which is what this is. So this is part of their Adventure range. So that, you know, they've basically concentrated on transporters and feature catos and various other vehicles like that, that conventionally used to convert to camper vans and what have you. So that's why they call it the Adventure range. So what this does, it replaces the mid-bass speakers and the tweeter. And like I said, it's a direct replacement. So basically we're using the original mounting harnesses and what have you. So we're not chopping anything to actually get these fitted on there. And the tweeter, basically the grills gets replaced as well as the actual tweeter, but it's got a nice finish to it. So have a look how it is now. We'll come back when it's all done. Yeah, so that's now all installed. So if you have a look, that's the original door card. The speakers changed behind it. I'll show you a picture of that. As you can't see the difference there, but the tweeters, that's where you do notice the difference. Yeah, so the main thing that you're going to notice is the sound quality is so far superior compared to the original speakers that came with it. It's actually quite poor, the original speakers. So that's one thing that is going to, the customer's going to really sort of appreciate is the sound quality. It's not just sound quality and volume. We could go higher with volume before distortion. So, you know, it's going to be an all-roundly decent thing to have. So, as I can't remember the part number, that is the Pioneer SPC 106 T61 2, which is a direct speaker replacement for the transporter T6.1.